Hi, welcome to WEICON at Speedex Abu Dhabi. We have a roadshow here and I'm just introducing WEICON. The range we cover, WEICON is a 70-year-old company from Germany and we have a presence everywhere, all the continents. In Middle East, we are here for almost 20 years and we are focused on MRO chemicals and tools. Let me introduce a few of our products. Like mainly, let me start with two-component adhesives. Like WEICON has two components epoxy resin system, which are used for repair and rebuilding of metal parts. For example, like when you have some pumps to be repaired and recoated, then we have this steel filled with reinforcement, which you can use on various industrial applications for pump repair, pump coating. So we have aluminum, steel, bronze. We cover most of the metals repair. These are for industrial application. And we have a repair sticks for DIY applications. Like this is a repair stick steel. Like whenever you have some steel to be rebuilded by your own, this is a two-component epoxy system. Like it has a two parts within it. So when you cut, mix, when it's a homogeneous color, you can apply on the surface to be repaired. You can rebuild it, like as you can see here, there is a process also. So this also we have for like stainless steel, copper. For wet surfaces, we have Aqua. Like in your plumbing application where there is a leakage, you can use our repair stick Aqua. So it can be used on wet surface also. So very popular with repair and maintenance activities. Then we have copper. For copper, we have titanium for high temperature application. We have stainless steel. Even we have for wood and concrete. Like somewhere if you need to repair concrete, like this kind of some worn out in the concrete, you can use our concrete repair stick. And we have wood repair stick also for some hobbyists and all they can use. So this covers our two-component epoxy system. Let me introduce WEICON's elastic adhesive range. So WEICON has a very good range of elastic adhesive range. Even WEICON has come up with our green tube, which is 80% biodegradable products used. Like these are the cartridges which are from the paper, and this even this plastic is biodegradable. So when you have these sauces, you can cut and use it, and this cartridge is reusable. So this is the new environmental friendly technology WEICON has introduced. Like for example, black seal. Like this is also a high temperature silicone used for engines and gasketing application where the temperature is higher, like 280 to 300 degrees. This can be used. Then we have a high temperature silicone. This is again up to 300 degree red color silicone, which is very popular in the industrial application. Then we have good quality silicones in different color. Then comes our very good product, Flex. It's MS polymer system. Even the Museum of Future in Dubai, they have used this product for some of the application. Like you can see, like our MS polymers, they can bond almost everything like wood, plastic, aluminum, copper, stainless steel, ceramic, like anything can be bonded. Even it can be used where some areas you cannot do welding, so it has a very good strength, and it can avoid welding in some areas. Like some of the oil field applications, they are using these adhesives where they cannot do welding. So we have a biggest range of elastic adhesives. Let's continue with our aerosol sprays. We have a biggest range of aerosols in our range. Let's go to the display here, and I'll explain you more our aerosols. We have our chain and rope lube spray for chain and rope lubrication. This is used for all the chain and rope lubrication application. Then we have our smoke detector test spray for smoke detector testing. This also we have non-flammable and flammable, both options are available with this. Then we have Electro Contact Cleaner QD. Which is for electronics and electrical cleaning. It's quick dry, and we have a normal also. Electro Contact Cleaner, our standard one, and this is the QD one. Then we have even sealant and adhesive remover for removing sealants and adhesives. Then we have a silicone spray for lubrication. Then we have a rust converter spray, where this rust converter when you spray on the rusted surface, it kills rust and give you a black color coating, which can act as a primer. So you don't need to remove rust. This will kill the rust and give you a coating. So for industrial or automotive application, this is very popular. So this covers our spray range. Even we have more sprays also with WEICON. WEICON covers wire stripping tools range, like wire stripping tool number 5. Covers from 0.2 to 6 mm square wire stripping. This has a multiple function. You can cut from here, there is a blade, and you can do a stripping from here. Even you can adjust the stripping length from here. You can adjust the length. Let me just demonstrate it. This is the cutting application. Let us strip this one. This is a clean stripping. You can see here 24 to 10 AWG, and here it's from mm, 0.2 to 6 mm square. So this is our best seller and has a very good, these are tested for 35,000 stripping and has a very good result. This is again a biodegradable material which can be recycled. We have a normal range with this one, but now we have come up with the biodegradable green line, which is 97% made from renewable resources. We have a very good product. It's called pipe repair kit. This has a pipe repair kit which is water activated tape followed by putties. You can mix the putties and you can use on the pipe wherever there is a leakage, like you can see here. You can use the putty here. This is the damage on the pipe. You can clean it after applying the putty. Then you have a water activated tape, which is you have to cut, fill water, and then it's like a bandage, so you can just use it to repair this pipe, like wherever there was damage. So this is how you can repair it. So, but it's not online repair. It's for you have to at least sort off the line for 30 minutes and then do the repair. Then other product is our application gun for 310 ml cartridges. Like you can use it for the cartridges. This is a very heavy duty gun is there. You can just apply. We have two variants, standard and the heavy duty, because when the viscosity of this product is more, you need a heavy duty gun to apply. So this is our gun. And we have a good range of lubricants, like anti-seize lubricants are there, where you need high temperature lubricants up to 1200 degree, even up to 1400 degree centigrade. We have lubricants for threaded bolts and those areas. These are anti-seize. Even we have anti-seize nickel, anti-seize copper, anti-seize high-tech for high temperature up to 1400 degrees. We have a good range of anti-seize, and even we have a lubricants range for gears and those kind of applications. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you Speedex for organizing this road show. It was very good, and we have good visitors. Hope we have a good business relation with you. Thank you.
Speedex, inspiring ideas, projects, and homes.
Speedex.